it is always the fault of the teacher. Every blame goes to the teacher. No parent admit to be part of the reason why their children are not doing well academically. When was the last time you checked your child's notebook? When was the last time you took a tour around your child's mind? Teachers are paid to teach your child. You as a parent were chosen by God to be the caretaker of that child. You are the one who will give account of that child's moral upbringing. Education starts from home. A baby comes into this world with a clean mind. You as a parent decide what goes in there. If you fill their mind with garbage, I guess you know what their future will be made of. If you fill their mind with success, the future belongs to them. Parents have major roles to play in the upbringing of children. You are like a leader who checkmates every day-to-day activities of your child. Don't be a parent who cares only about the child's class position at the end of the term. Be your child's friend. Be part of his daily life. A child have a limited time to be molded before he joins the society. They are like iron, easy to bend and mold when it is hot, but when it is cold, it breaks while trying to bend it. If you feel you are too busy to teach your child, the society will help you teach him what you least expected. Stop treating teachers the same way you treat God. You remember God in your downtime, but forget him when things are moving well. Parents don't appreciate teachers. They remember teachers when their children are not doing well. The system is not that bad. You as a parent need to go back home and do some homework to sharpen the mind of your child.